every year on my birthday.
Happy birthday, sir!
The Fat Controller smiled.
What a marvellous surprise! Thank you, Thomas. Thank you, Winston. I can see you've both had a really useful day.
And that made Thomas and Winston happier than ever.
He's big, he's back, goes by the name of Sir Topham Hatt. No one can deny, on him you can rely. So sing along, with the Fat Controller song, So sing along, with the Fat Controller song, Thomas, Percy, Henry and Gordon, Edward, Toby, Emily, James, engines heave, engines haul, and Sir Topham Hatt, well, he loves them all. Be useful, take care, and he'll be fair, but he'll be fair. He's the man, in charge, with a heart that's so large. So sing along, with the Fat Controller song, So sing along, with the Fat Controller song, with the Fat Controller song.